Hi guys, happy Friday. Miss Pascal here for our last read aloud of the week. I am back on my porch because today is a little bit warmer than yesterday was. Today I am actually going to be reading you guys one of our science read alouds that we normally read in class. And today's read aloud is called Little Seed's Journey. So I'm going to read it to you guys. On the edge of the water stood a tall plant. One of its spiky fruits with a seed inside hung from the branch, looking as though it were ready to drop any time. What's going to happen to me? The little seed wondered. Once I fall to the ground, how will I get anywhere? Just then, the seed heard a voice. It was coming from the branch. She heard, "Psst, over here. It's going to be okay." She wasn't sure at first who was talking to her. The little seed looked right and left. Then she realized it was one of the other seeds talking to her. "What did you say?" "I know you are nervous about dropping to the ground, but you were made for this. You'll be just fine," the other seed said, trying to make her feel better. "Well, thank you. But what do you mean I was made for this? I don't feel very sure of myself at all." Just then, the fruit with the little seed in it dropped off the plant. At the same time that little seed fell, a raccoon passed by. The spiky skin of the fruit with the seed stuck to the animal's fur, and off the little seed went. As she rode on the raccoon's back, the little seed thought, "That must be what the other seed meant when he said I was made for this. He must have known that my fruit would help me travel. This is pretty fun," the little seed squealed. The little seed was amazed to see new scenery. She had always had the same view from her plant and had no idea what other parts of the woods looked like. The little seed was also surprised at how long she had been able to stick to the raccoon's back. She felt her spikes pull as the raccoon scratched against a tree, but she held on tight. She wasn't ready to get off just yet. This place didn't seem quite right for her new home. The raccoon continued on its journey, and so did the little seed. They hadn't gone all that far, but to the little seed, it felt like she'd been traveling for days to a far-off land. Soon after, the raccoon approached a lake, and the little seed knew it was time. She exclaimed, "This place would make a great new home for me." She noticed the beautiful view and how it looked a little like her old home. The fruit with the little seed fell off the raccoon's back, and the little seed popped out. "Now I'm ready to settle in and grow into a plant," she said. The end. So that's one of our quick reads, but it told you one of the ways that seeds travel from place to place. So this little seed in our story traveled on the raccoon's back. Seeds also move around in lots of other ways. They move using the wind, they can move using the water, and they also move when animals eat seeds as well. So this is just explaining one way that seeds travel and then grow in new places. Today, or actually this week, we have been learning all about butterfly life cycles and plant life cycles. And so today, my challenge for you guys is an art activity. I challenge you to go on Art for Kids Hub and to search for the monarch butterfly. And my challenge for you guys today is to draw a monarch butterfly. I hope that you guys have a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I will be back to read with you guys on Monday. See you guys soon.